优秀，优秀，优秀。
Excellent.
Excellent.
大学毕业后，他成为一名优秀的室内设计师。大学毕业后，他成为一名优秀的室内设计师。大学毕业后，他成为一名优秀的室内设计师。
After graduating from college, he became an excellent interior designer.
After graduating from college, he became an excellent interior designer.
只要你努力，你就可以变得越来越优秀。只要你努力，你就可以变得越来越优秀。只要你努力，你就可以变得越来越优秀。
As long as you work hard, you can become better and better.
As long as you work hard, you can become better and better.
他是一位优秀的学生，他在学习方面的表现令人钦佩。他是一位优秀的学生，他在学习方面的表现令人钦佩。他是一位优秀的学生，他在学习方面的表现令人钦佩。
She is an excellent student, and her academic performance is admirable.
She is an excellent student, and her academic performance is admirable.
硕士，硕士，硕士。
Master.
Master.
我正在攻读硕士学位。我正在攻读硕士学位。我正在攻读硕士学位。
I'm studying for a master's degree.
I'm studying for a master's degree.
完成硕士学位后，我计划攻读博士学位。完成硕士学位后，我计划攻读博士学位。完成硕士学位后，我计划攻读博士学位。
After completing a master's degree, I plan to pursue a PhD.
After completing a master's degree, I plan to pursue a PhD.
你儿子真优秀，硕士毕业后就当了律师。你儿子真优秀，硕士毕业后就当了律师。你儿子真优秀，硕士毕业后就当了律师。
Your son is so outstanding. He became a lawyer after graduating with a master's degree.
Your son is so outstanding. He became a lawyer after graduating with a master's degree.
翻译，翻译，翻译。
Translate.
Translate.
我在大使馆担任翻译。我在大使馆担任翻译。我在大使馆担任翻译。
I work as a translator at the embassy.
I work as a translator at the embassy.
作为一名翻译人员，必须努力学好外语。作为一名翻译人员，必须努力学好外语。作为一名翻译人员，必须努力学好外语。
As a translator, you must work hard to learn foreign language as well.
As a translator, you must work hard to learn foreign language as well.
麻烦你把这份文件翻译成英文。麻烦你把这份文件翻译成英文。麻烦你把这份文件翻译成英文。
Could you please translate this document into English?
Could you please translate this document into English?
确实，确实，确实。
Exactly.
Exactly.
只差1分就可以进入决赛了，确实可惜。只差1分就可以进入决赛了，确实可惜。只差1分就可以进入决赛了，确实可惜。
It's really a pity that we are only 1 point away from entering the finals.
It's really a pity that we are only 1 point away from entering the finals.
手机确实给我们带来不少便利。手机确实给我们带来不少便利。手机确实给我们带来不少便利。
Cell phones do bring us a lot of convenience.
Cell phones do bring us a lot of convenience.
无论你学习哪种语言，语法确实很重要。无论你学习哪种语言，语法确实很重要。无论你学习哪种语言，语法确实很重要。
No matter which language you learn, grammar does matter.
No matter which language you learn, grammar does matter.
兴奋，兴奋，兴奋。
Excited. Excitement.
Excited. Excitement.
当我站在台上领奖时，我既紧张又兴奋。当我站在台上领奖时，我既紧张又兴奋。当我站在台上领奖时，我既紧张又兴奋。
When I stood on the stage to receive the award, I was both nervous and excited.
When I stood on the stage to receive the award, I was both nervous and excited.
他兴奋地喊道：“我被大学录取了！”他兴奋地喊道：“我被大学录取了！”他兴奋地喊道：“我被大学录取了！”
He shouted excitedly, I was accepted into college.
He shouted excitedly, I was accepted into college.
当他听到他获得第一名时，他兴奋地跳了起来。当他听到他获得第一名时，他兴奋地跳了起来。当他听到他获得第一名时，他兴奋地跳了起来。
When he heard that he had won first place, he jumped up with excitement.
When he heard that he had won first place, he jumped up with excitement.
拉，拉，拉。
Pull. Play.
Pull. Play.
把椅子拉过来，把椅子拉过来，把椅子拉过来。
Pull up the chair.
Pull up the chair.
爷爷喜欢拉手风琴。爷爷喜欢拉手风琴。爷爷喜欢拉手风琴。
Grandpa likes to play the accordion.
Grandpa likes to play the accordion.
一个亲切的微笑就可以拉近人与人之间的距离。一个亲切的微笑就可以拉近人与人之间的距离。一个亲切的微笑就可以拉近人与人之间的距离。
A friendly smile can shorten the distance between people.
A friendly smile can shorten the distance between people.
谢谢观看。